Fix Windows Hello Face recognition not working in Windows 11 or 10. Is Windows Hello Face recognition not working on your laptop? Let's fix it step by step. So first, go ahead and check your camera hardware. Make sure your camera is working. Open the device manager by clicking on WinX on your device and then select device manager from here. So once this is open, go ahead and expand cameras. And then under that, go ahead and confirm your air camera is detected. Right click your camera device and then select update driver. Install the latest drivers from Windows Update or your laptop manufacturer. Now, another thing you can do is to re-enroll your face data. So go ahead and click on WinI on your keyboard to open up settings. And then on settings, head over into the account section. And then select sign in options and then select Windows Hello Face. Remove existing data and set up recognition again. Lastly is to install the latest Windows updates. Updates often fix compatibility issues with Windows Hello. And that is how to fix Windows Hello Face recognition not working in Windows 11 or 10.